Good morning. Today we'll discuss the chemistry basic concept mole. If I ask you to bring 10 kg of salt, 5 kg, 1 kg, fine. Or else 1 liter of salt solution, that is also fine. Because kg and liter are the known basic units. But if I ask you to bring 1 mole of salt, the question begins here. What is 1 mole? To explain mole, we'll take some basic examples. With respect to solid, common salt, liquid, water, gas, oxygen. Salt. Observe the first line. Mole is nothing but molecular mass of a molecule in grams. We know common salt is NaCl. Atomic mass of sodium 23, chlorine 35.5. Total 58.5. So relative molecular mass is 58.5. Approximately we'll consider it as 58. Therefore 1 mole of salt is 58 grams. 1 mole of salt 58 grams. Now observe the water molecule. 1 mole of water, H2O. Atomic mass of hydrogen 1, 2 molecules of hydrogen, 2 into 1. Oxygen 16. So 16 plus 2, total molecular mass is 18. 1 mole of water, 18 grams. If you weigh 1 mole of water, 18 grams. Observe 1 mole of oxygen. Oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen 16, O2, so 2 into 16, total molecular mass 32. Therefore, 1 mole of oxygen 32 grams. Remember, 1 mole of oxygen 32 grams. Now observe this page. 1 mole of salt 58 grams, 1 mole of water 18 grams and 1 mole of oxygen 32 grams. So mole, we are expressing mole in terms of gram molecular mass. So we are expressing mole in terms of gram molecular mass. Mole can be expressed in terms of number of particles. So number of molecules is equal to mass of substance by mass of one molecule. Let us consider salt. Number of salt molecules is equal to mass of 1 mole of salt divided by mass of 1 NaCl molecule. 58 by 58. But observe the denominator, 58 is heavier than 1 hydrogen atom. So if you multiply 58 into hydrogen atom mass 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24, you will get the exact value 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Remember the number 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. So the conclusion, 1 mole of any substance is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. 1 dozen Kaju Barfi equals 12 Kaju Barfi. But 1 mole, a mole of Kaju Barfi is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 Kaju Barfi. 3 moles of Kaju Barfi. 3 moles of Kaju Barfi means 3 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. 8 moles of Kaju Barfi. 8 moles means 8 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So the conclusion is 1 mole of any substance, oxygen, NaCl, water, copper sulfate, any substance is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules.